We saw a few days ago in a previous quick tip tutorial that we can access the scratch pad by coming up to the toolbar at the top and clicking on this button here. And we also saw that we could drag our audio events or MIDI parts over, and a duplicate copy is going to be created here within our scratch pad. Now we could perform some edits and experiment with the audio events or MIDI parts, and then bring those back over into our main arrange view. Now someone left a comment asking, if we were to bring the parts that we edited back over into our main arrange view, are they just going to overlap onto the existing material or will they override it? Well, by default, let's just go ahead and trim this to make it pretty small. We'll take the level up a little bit here. And again, by default, if I just drag this back over to the main arrange view, and let's zoom in a bit, we can see that this event is just overlapping the pre-existing material. But let's go ahead and undo, and we'll come over to the wrench icon at the top of our track column. I'll go ahead and click once, and you can see that under the editing section we have no overlap when editing events. Now this was a feature that people had requested for a long time. It's not necessarily new in version 8 or 7, maybe it was introduced in 5 or 6. But if we go ahead and check this box here, let's close out that window, and then now when I left click and hold, drag this event over to our main arrange view, then this is going to overwrite the existing material where we drag it to. So I've got another audio track up top. Let's just move this to the top one here, and we can see that the existing material has been removed. I'll go ahead and bring this back. Let's come back to the wrench. We will turn off the no overlaps. And if I were to drag this event over while we're in the main arrange view, you can see, hopefully, that this is overlapping. If I pull this back, the material is still there. Again, if we turn this no overlap feature on, then when I drag to the left, that existing material is overwritten. So depending on how you work, this setting can be very important for you. And of course, this is also going to apply to our MIDI parts. So if I were to drag this over to our arrange view, and then maybe we did some trimming, opened it up in the editor and made some changes here, we can also, as we just saw with the audio event while the no overlaps is on, I'll drag this over to, let's just say, bar 35. Now we can see here, we'll left click hold in the ruler and zoom in. We can see that that overwrit the existing MIDI part. And also if I select this MIDI part and then drag to the right, we can see that it's overwriting that information. Dragging to the left, we're overwriting here. Okay, so another really quick one, guys. I hope this has been useful to someone out there. And if you'd like to work directly with me over Zoom in speeding up your learning curve for Studio Pro 8, check out the pinned comment below or the description area of this video. Otherwise, I hope to see you in tomorrow's tutorial.